Last night, I made money with AI while I was asleep. I woke up with new leads, new appointments, and new payments processing to my bank account. And I accomplished this by doing something I never thought I would be able to do. I created an AI clone of myself to publish video content. In fact, at this very moment, you're not watching the real me, you are watching my AI clone. And guess what? Many people can't even tell the difference. Take a look at this comment from a viewer that said, "I wouldn't have known it was AI talking. This looks so good." But even better, check out these results from a video I published with my AI clone. The video got over 250,000 views and over $5,000 in ad revenue. Pretty impressive results, right? Well, today I'm going to reveal how you too can make money with AI. You will learn how to build a six-figure one-person business from scratch using an AI avatar that looks and sounds just like you. Your clone can make content that promotes your business while you work on other things. And the best part is that when you start posting this content, people are going to ask you how you did it. That question becomes a new business idea where you can offer to create clones for other business owners who need the same thing. And I know this business model can work because last month, my agency made over $400,000 in revenue creating short form video content for small businesses. So this isn't theory or practical advice. No, you're learning from someone who has actually experimented and executed projects with new AI technology over the last few months. Let me start by showing you the big picture of how this whole system actually works. Chapter 1. The system that runs while you sleep. Before I show you how this system works, let me tell you why I created it in the first place. I have been making YouTube videos since 2019, and I saw firsthand how powerful video content is for building a business. Videos brought me leads, clients, and opportunities that I never would have gotten any other way. I became a true believer in showing up on camera and sharing value with an audience. But here is what happened over the years. I started strong and posted consistently for a while. Then life got busy, the agency grew, and I had less time to sit down and record. I became more and more inconsistent with my uploads. Some months I would post a few videos, other months I would post nothing at all. Eventually I burned out completely and quit making videos altogether. I knew I was leaving money on the table, but I just could not find the energy to keep going. Then in July 2025, I came back with my AI clones and I could not believe the results. I was able to create content again without the exhaustion that comes from traditional video production. No more setting up cameras, fixing lighting, doing multiple takes, and spending hours editing. I just typed my scripts, generated the videos, and scheduled them to post. The views came back, the leads came back, and the business started growing again. That experience is why I built this system, and now I want to share it with you. The system has three main parts that work together automatically. When you set these up correctly, they create a machine that generates content, captures leads, and books appointments without you being there. The first part is an AI clone that looks and sounds like you. This digital version of yourself can create videos just by typing a script. The second part is choosing a niche and publishing content consistently. And here's where something interesting happens. When you post AI clone videos, people start asking you how you made them. They want to know what tools you use and how they can do the same thing. Those questions turn into leads for your business because now you have people reaching out to you who are already interested in what you do. This happens to me all the time. Check out this comment on one of my accounting videos. I'm more interested in learning how to create a clone. The third part is setting up an AI business and automations that turn those leads into paying clients. You take the skill you learn for yourself and offer it to other business owners. And you use AI automations to respond to leads instantly, answer their questions, and get them to book calls with you. This happens around the clock whether you are awake or not. When you put these three parts together, you have a system that works while you sleep. Your clone creates content, that content attracts people who want the same thing, and automations convert those people into real business. In the description below, I have links to the cloning tools I use and a link to the software I use to manage all my businesses, which is called High Level. High Level is an all-in-one CRM that allows you to build websites, calendars, automations, and even AI agents that can do all the heavy lifting for you. This is a big part of how I am able to make money with AI and build semi-passive income. Plus, when you use my link below, you'll also get access to my free AI business blueprint course where I break down this business opportunity, but more on that later. First, let me show you how to actually build your AI clone step by step. But real quick, if we haven't met yet, I'm Sean's clone. Sean is a licensed tax professional and the owner of a $4 million per year social media marketing agency, winning awards like the Inc. 5000 Fastest Growing Companies, Go High Level SaaS, and many others. And I'm here to share his knowledge with you because the truth is there are enough opportunities out there for us all to win, and sharing this knowledge does nothing to impact me, but it helps people like you. All I ask is that you like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. All right, let's move on. Chapter 2, building your AI clone. Step by step. To build an AI clone that looks and sounds similar to you, there are two main components you need. The first component is the visual part, which is your digital avatar that copies your face. And the second component is the voice part, which is an AI copy of your voice that can say anything you type. Now, there are a lot of tools out there that can help you create these components, but my favorite tools and what I personally use for long form videos are HeyGen and 11 Labs. HeyGen costs around $48 per month for the creator plan, and 11 Labs has a starter plan at $5 per month. So for less than $60 a month total, you can have your own AI clone working for you every single day. I'm going to demonstrate how it works, so click the links in the description if you want to follow along. Once you log in, you will see the main dashboard where all your videos and avatars will be. Click on Avatars in the left menu, then click Create Avatar. HeyGen gives you a few different ways to make your avatar, but we want the one called Hyper Realistic Avatar because it creates the most lifelike version of you. Click on that option and then click Start with the video to begin the process. Now you will see a screen with recording tips. You need to record about 2 to 3 minutes of footage of yourself talking naturally to the camera. You can record this footage on your phone or webcam, and HeyGen lets you upload it right from your computer. Make sure your video is at least 1080p resolution for the best quality. Once your video is ready, click Upload Footage and select your file. HeyGen also needs you to record a short consent video where you give permission to create your avatar. This takes about 30 seconds and keeps the platform safe from people making fake clones of others. After you upload everything, HeyGen will process your footage and create your avatar. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. When it is done, your new avatar will show up in your library and you can start making videos right away. Now we need to create a voice that sounds exactly like you, and 11 Labs makes this incredibly easy. Once you log in, click on Voices in the left menu, then click Add a New Voice and select Instant Voice Clone. Now you need to upload some audio of yourself speaking, and the quality of this audio matters a lot. Record yourself in a quiet room with no background noise or echo. You want about 1 to 2 minutes of clear audio where you speak naturally at a comfortable pace. Do not use music or have other people talking in your recording because that will confuse the AI. You can record this audio on your phone using the Voice Memo app or on your computer using free software like Audacity or GarageBand. Make sure your voice stays consistent throughout the recording. The AI learns your voice patterns, so give it a good example of how you normally sound. Once you have your audio file ready, drag it into the upload box on 11 Labs. Give your voice clone a name so you can find it later. Check the box saying you have permission to clone this voice, then click Add Voice and wait a few seconds while 11 Labs processes your audio. When it is done, your voice clone will appear in your voice library ready to use. You can test it by typing some text and clicking the generate button. The AI will speak your words in your exact voice, and most people are amazed at how accurate it sounds. Now that you have your visual avatar in HeyGen and your voice clone in 11 Labs, it is time to create your first video. Go back to your HeyGen dashboard and click on Create Video. You will see the video editing studio where you can build your content. First, click on the avatar section and select the custom avatar you created earlier. Your face will appear in the video preview on the right side of the screen. Next, we need to add your 11 Labs voice. Here is how you connect your 11 Labs voice to HeyGen. In 11 Labs, go to your profile section and find your API key. Copy this key and then go back to HeyGen. In the voice selection area, you will see an option to connect to 11 Labs. Paste your API key there, and your 11 Labs voices will show up as options. Now select your cloned voice from the drop-down menu. Write your script in the text box, and HeyGen will use your avatar face with your 11 Labs voice to create the video. Hit the preview button to see how it looks, and when you are happy with it, click Generate, and HeyGen will render your final video. The whole process takes about 2 to 4 minutes per minute of video, so a 5-minute video takes maybe 10 to 15 minutes to create, which is light compared to having to film, edit, and produce a video for yourself, which can take hours or even days. All right, now that you have an AI clone of yourself, it's time to figure out what to create content about in Chapter 3. Picking a niche that works for you. Before you start creating content, you need to pick a niche that you have some experience with. Now, the good news is that you don't have to write all your scripts from scratch. AI tools like ChatGPT can write your scripts for you in seconds. But here's why choosing the right niche still matters. You need to be able to read that script and know if it's correct or if it is complete like nonsense. The best niche for you is something you already have experience with or knowledge about. Think about your current job, your past jobs, your hobbies, or problems you solved in your own life. When AI writes a script about your topic, you can quickly scan it and say, yes, that's good, or no, that's bad. Without that background knowledge, you'd have no idea if the AI made something up. For example, if you spent years working in e-commerce and selling products online, you can ask AI to write a script about how to find winning products to sell. The AI will give you a solid draft in about 10 seconds. Then you read through it and check if those tips actually match what worked for you. You might add a quick story about the first product that made you $10,000 and what you learned from that experience. That personal touch is what makes your content feel real and trustworthy. The magic formula is AI plus your knowledge plus your personal story. AI handles the heavy lifting of writing the first draft. Your knowledge makes sure the information is accurate, and your personal anecdotes make the content unique to you, just like what you are watching now. This combination lets you create content 10 times faster than writing everything yourself while still sounding authentic and real. Then I use High Level to schedule my videos for myself and all my agency clients. I have a video where I break down how I manage 300 plus clients, which I will link at the end of this one if you want to check it out. But now let me show you the automation piece that turns all this content into actual money while you sleep in chapter 4, a new AI business idea. Now that you know how to create AI clones, you have a skill that business owners will actually pay real money for. Service businesses where the owner is usually the face of the company are the perfect clients. Think about your local real estate agent, chiropractor, dentist, lawyer, or insurance agent. People in the community know their face and trust them personally. The problem is that most of them face the same problem I described earlier. They get burned out from trying to create quality content consistently while managing their clients and business. So they usually turn to posting generic Canva graphics on their social media. You've seen these posts before. They have stock photos, basic text, and they all look exactly the same as every other business in town. These posts don't build any real connection with potential customers. This is where your system changes everything for them. Instead of posting forgettable graphics, the business owner can post videos of themselves talking directly to their community. They can share tips, make tutorials, and build trust with people who might need their services. The business owner doesn't have to spend hours recording because the AI clone does all the work. You offer to set up the same system you built for yourself. You create their AI clone, you set up their automations in High Level, and you manage their content creation. They get leads and booked appointments without lifting a finger, and you get paid every single month to keep the system running. Let me show you exactly how to set up a social media automation that sends direct messages to people who comment on your posts and gets them to book appointments. First, you go to settings and then integrations inside High Level. You connect your Facebook page and Instagram business account. Make sure your Instagram account is linked to your Facebook page because this is required for that automation to work. Second, you go to automations and then workflows. You click create workflow and start from scratch. This is where you build the automation that responds to comments automatically. Third, you click add trigger and select Instagram comment on post or Facebook comment on post depending on which platform you want to automate. You can filter by specific keywords so the automation only fires when someone comments a certain word. For example, you might tell people to comment the word info to get more details. Fourth, you add an action to reply to the comment publicly. This acknowledges the person and lets others see that you're responsive. You can even have the automation like the comment automatically. Fifth, you add another action to send a direct message to the person who commented. This is where you deliver the value they asked for and invite them to take the next step. Your message might include a link, a special offer, or an invitation to book a call. Sixth, you add buttons or quick replies inside the direct message that guide the person toward booking an appointment. High Level lets you create interactive messages with buttons that link directly to your calendar or booking page. Once this automation is set up, every time someone comments on a post with the trigger word, they automatically get a public reply and a private message that moves them toward booking. This happens at any time of the day, even while you are asleep. Now let's talk about some realistic numbers with Chapter 5, how to build a six-figure business with AI. The math on this business is very simple. If you charge $1,000 per month and you sign up just 12 clients, that's $12,000 per month in recurring revenue. That's $144,000 per year from just 12 clients who pay you every single month. The profit margins are strong because your main costs are software subscriptions and your time. You're not buying inventory, renting office space, or paying for expensive equipment. Most of what you charge goes straight into your pocket. I know this model works because I'm living it right now. Last month, my agency brought in over $400,000 in revenue, creating short-form video content for small businesses. The path from $0 to $10,000 per month is very achievable when you follow these steps. First, record your training footage and create your own AI clone using the 3 components I showed you. Second, pick a niche you actually know so you can verify AI scripts and add personal stories. Third, batch create your content and schedule it to post automatically throughout the week. Fourth, set up high level to manage your automation so leads and appointments come in while you sleep. Fifth, once your system is working, reach out to local business owners and offer to build the same thing for them. Sixth, grab my free AI Business Blueprint course in the description to see the exact software and systems I use to run my agency. The AI revolution is happening right now. You can either build a system that works for you around the clock, or you can keep trading your time for money like everyone else. I hope this video showed you what's possible. If you got value from this, make sure to like the video. Also, check out my video on how to make money with Sora 2 for even more ways to build your AI business, and I'll see you over there.